Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix and solve this app has been blocked for your protection error in Windows 10. Type Regedit in search bar. Pick HKey local machine. Pick software. Pick Microsoft. Pick Windows. Pick current version. Pick policies. Pick system. Double-click Enable LUA. Change the value data to 0. Click OK. Close Regedit and exit. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.